We're here today at Freedom Hill Park in Vienna, Virginia, and we're going to be unveiling some signs that tell the story of local people. So the significance of this event is to make sure we're telling the untold stories of the communities around the park and not just the same old Civil War story.
May the words of our mouths and the sincerity of our hearts be acceptable to you, O Lord, our Creator, the source of our strength and salvation. Amen. All.
President George Washington wrote, "Liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth." Today, through these stories, we continue to plant the seeds of equity and justice. We must tell these stories to educate current and future generations.
We are really proud as a Board of Supervisors to acknowledge the ancestral lands and the natives people who were here first, as well as honoring the lives of some ordinary citizens who lived truly extraordinary lives.
So found out a lot about family history by doing this project. It's been wonderful. I thank Tammy for hanging in with us. It's been great. And thank you very much.
We want to make sure that we are having full representation of all peoples in our interpretation, historical and natural interpretation. If someone has a story to share with us about a relative that lived in the park or some history that they know about their community, they can use our Ask a Historian feature on our website. Heritage conservation, that piece of our website links to county resources, but also Park Authority resources specific to archaeology, historical collections, but also the history parks and each of their stories. As we build it, it will become even bigger.